Is your kitchen small and crowded? Don't worry, friends. With a few smart ideas, even a tiny kitchen can look stylish, spacious, and super functional. And it's budget friendly.
Important kitchen ideas are color palette, maximize the vertical countertops, tiles, organization, installing essential accessories. Along with this, you will get additional bonus tips and tricks at the end of the video that can save your time and reduce your budget.
Welcome to our YouTube channel Viva Interior Tips, where we are providing information related to interiors. And first point is the palette, that is the color. Why color is important in kitchen laminates? Kitchen laminate color is not just about the beauty; it directly affects the feel. Dark shades always absorb light, but light shades reflects light and make the kitchen to look brighter and big. Next important idea under this palette is about choosing color combination for top unit and bottom. Here you got two options. First one is you can go for contrast color combination or same color. Let me share an essential tip here that makes a big difference. Choose unicolor combination for small kitchen because it helps to synchronize entire space into a one big unit, and it creates visual illusion of making the space to appear big. On contrary, contrast colors breaks the view and makes the space to appear still smaller.
Same color.
Color for both loft, top cabinet and bottom cabinet. Extra another suggestion is if you really like to go for contrast, then you can use one shade lighter than the top cabinet one. Still the kitchen looks spacious. Next is maximizing vertical. You might have seen the gap between ceiling and the cabin in many homes. Trick here is when you avoid this gap above the cabinets and take the cabinet vertically upward to touch the ceilings. This makes your kitchen to look very spacious because the continuous vertical lines draw the eye upward, instantly making your ceilings feel higher and the room more expensive. Additional, it avoids cluttering of appliances you only use once in a year in that gap between cabinet and ceiling, which makes the kitchen very clean and tidy. Let's do a quick recap of the previous step. Choose to close the gap between the ceilings and the top cabinet so that the kitchen looks spacious and luxurious. Next is kitchen countertops. In general, black granite is used in large kitchens, but in small kitchen it can make the space feel darker, heavier and more congested. Since the dark surfaces absorb more light, the kitchen may appear small than it is actually. Instead, choosing lighter shades for countertops can create a brighter, more spacious, and welcoming feel. For small kitchen, you can go for quartz because actually it is one of the best choices for small kitchens. It gives a premium and elegant modern look while being low maintenance and highly durable. Additional advantage here is unlike black granite, lighter quartz shades can make the kitchen feel brighter, cleaner, and more spacious. Quartz is non porous, stain resistant, and does not require regular sealing. Quick recap is choose quartz instead of black granite and go for lighter shades. You'll get additional bonus tips and tricks after the tip number 6, which saves your time and reduces your budget. Next idea to make your kitchen appear bigger and brighter is about the tiles. Using the tiles with less joints can make your kitchen look more spacious, clean, and elegant. Large tiles create a seamless appearance, reducing visual clutter and making the floor or countertop feel wider and more open. So, larger tiles means lesser joints and kitchen appears bigger, cleaner, and more luxurious. Next tip is organization is the best visual expander. Watch till the end for bonus tip that can save your time and reduce your budget. Beautifully organized internal drawers, spice pullouts, and clear countertop are very important to get a very beautiful look for your small kitchen. Visual clutter eats up the square footage if your counters are covered in appliances, utensils, and room shrinks. The secret to a big looking kitchen is aggressive internal organization. So, for that purpose, customizing the number of drawers, accessories, and storage spaces based on individual needs makes the kitchen more practical, organized, and budget friendly. Next step is installing the water filter to maximize usable counter space, especially in small kitchens. Installing the RO water filter below the sink is an efficient way. It is the smart way to maintain a clean, organized, and modern kitchen appearance while saving valuable counter space. As promised, here are some valuable bonus tips that can help save you.
Time and money.
Choose glossy laminate as their reflective surface enhances light distribution and makes the kitchen appear more spacious and bright. Vitrified tiles are budget friendly and can be used as a kitchen countertops and suited only for the nuclear families. Installing an RO, use WPC wood plastic composite material for under sink cabinet area. It's 100% waterproof, termite resistant, and it's highly durable. Kitchen does no friends. A small kitchen does not have to limit your design dreams. It just requires a bit more strategy. Which of these tricks are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into interior design. See you in the next video.